Getting back to learning about what it would be like to live in ancient Rome, imagine being a student, or discipulus discipuli, in ancient Rome. You would be going to school, Schola, Scholae, just like students do today. Curiously enough, the word for school could also be ludus ludi, a word which in Latin means game or play. There you would find your teacher, magister magistri. He would teach you the basics in history, historia, historiae, math, mathematica, mathematicae, literature, literae, literarum, and if you were a little older, even philosophy, philosophia, philosophiae. You would be sitting on your wooden desk, subselium, subselii. You would write on a tablet, tabula, tabulae, covered with wax, cera, cerae, using a pen or stylus, stilus, stili. This instrument would be pointed on one side to make incisions on the wax and flat on the other to erase mistakes. The tablet could be used again and again by warming up the wax to create a new clean surface, hence the common expression tabula rasa, meaning clean slate. You would also use books, liber, libri. They were written on some special paper made from papyrus, papyrus. The instrument for writing on this surface was practically a reed, a calamus scriptorius, cut at an angle and sharpened like a quill by means of a special instrument, scalprum librarium. The reed was dipped into dark ink, atramentum atramenti. When not in use, the calamus was stored in a small box called teca calamaria. For math, you would be using a ruler, regula regulae, and a counting board, abacus abaci. The teacher would often use rolled books, volumen voluminis, which were precisely stored in a shelf called librarium librarii. You may be thinking, was life all work and no play for Roman children? Was there any time for fun? There certainly was. Roman children would spend the day swimming, nato, natare, singing, cano, canere, dancing, salto, saltare, riding horses, equito, equitare, hunting, venor, venari, fishing, piscor, piscari, and practicing in the gym, palaestra, palaestrae. Ancient Romans also played a wide variety of board games, including dice, using tessera, tesserae, or alea, aleae, knucklebones, talus, tali, Roman chess, latrunculi, latrunculorum, Roman checkers, calculi, calculorum, and terni lapili, which was something called three pebbles, a strategy game that was sort of like tic-tac-toe. And with that, we have a better sense of what it was like to be a young student in ancient Rome. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Support me on Patreon so I can keep making content. And as always, feel free to email me, ProfessorDaveExplains@gmail.com.